We know that we have written hash include stdio.h in the beginning of our C program because we have used the printf standard library function. This printf standard library function is declared in the header file stdio.h, and the machine code or object code of this standard library function is available in the library directory, in the library file corresponding to the particular memory model. I'll explain the concept of memory model later on in this tutor. Okay, now I'll show you these header files and library files. Okay, now click the start button, go to the programs option, go to the ms-dos prompt, and then go to the root directory by typing cd/, then go to the tc directory by typing cd tc. Now clear the screen by typing cls. Now here just type dir *dot. You see there is a include subdirectory or folder and library folder or library directory. Now we can go to the include subdirectory by typing cd include in cd include and press enter. Now we are inside the subdirectory include. Just type clear screen, that is cls. Now here if you give the dir command, then all the header files in this library directory are displayed over here. So you can watch all the header files. Now see, you can see the header file stdio.h. So this is stdio.h header file. Okay, now see, I can show you the contents of this header file. Just give the command typ type stdio.h, and to display page by page information type the command more. It's a DOS command, so more is a DOS command which will display the contents of this header file page by page wise. Press enter over here. You can watch the header file, standard header file stdio.h over here. This file contains definitions for stream input output. Okay, now you can watch the header file. Just press any key. Now you can see the contents of this header file. Now we will find that the declaration of the standard library functions are given over here. So let us see the declaration for printf. So you see here fprintf, declaration of fprintf is given over here. Declaration of printf library function is given over here. Declaration of scanf library function you can watch over here, and so on. Now after this I'll show you the contents of the folder, namely lib. So go to the lib directory. Now just give the dir command to see the contents of the subdirectory lib. So this directory contains library files. They are in object form or in machine code. Now for a small memory model, so CS, this library file is for small memory model. This file contained object code, machine code of all the functions for the small memory model. Already I told you that concept of memory model we'll discuss afterward in this tutor. So right now just see the library files for the respective memory models and for the respective libraries, maths library and then your graphics library and so on. Is it clear? Understood the concept? Now remember that hash include stdio.h, this statement include the entire header file in your program, and after that compilation starts. So include preprocessor directive will include entire header file to the, you will insert the entire header file into your program, and after that compilation starts. After that you can compile your program. Is it clear? Understood the working? Thank you.